I am Dr. Minu Rustam Patel and my wife Shahnaz Patel. I was the Dean of the GMARS Medical College and Hospital Godhri, Vadodara, and I was also the ex-professor of surgery and head of Department of Surgery at Government Medical College and SSD Hospital, Vadodara for 20 years. At present, I am the Director and Surgeon at Subhecha Multi-Specialty Hospital and also Director and Surgeon at New Life Hospital on the Pioneer Medical and Paramedical Campus. At present also I am appointed Honorary Advisor to COVID-19 for this coronavirus pandemic at the dedicated COVID hospitals at Vadodara by the Government of Gujarat. My younger daughter Kelmina Patel got admitted to Soham classes in the year 2016-18 while doing her 11th and 12th standard commerce. During my first visit, I met Mr. Soham on the very first day and I was wonderstruck about his dynamic abilities and his having in-depth knowledge of why my child should choose commerce as a career. Teaching faculty at Soham class is extremely student-friendly and attention is paid to every child at an individual level with a regular test and take-up sessions which prove to be very interactive. Teachers help to align the priorities right, preparing the students to approach the scientific concepts not only from the exam point of view but to nurture them from the grassroots level so that they become an essential part of every student's learning and preparing for the future professional life in the learning journey. That is imparting knowledge over and above the routine subject matter. Entire syllabus is completed and revised before the board exams and mock exams are held to prepare the students for actual examinations. Best what I found was an interaction with the parents which gave them detailed insight of the child's progress and ability to perform in future years, not only by telephonic conversations but also by WhatsApp group where we learned about the child's daily routine, what lectures are to be taken, what lectures the child is sitting in, etc. etc. In fact, frankly speaking, I am really amazed and it has changed our concept about our coaching class. Soham classes have changed the concept of our coaching class. Am I true?
Completely.
Thank you.
मैं निशा बख्शी, मेरा बेटा और बेटी दोनों सोहम क्लास में पढ़े। बेटा सीए हो गया है, बेटी ने 12th की एग्ज़ाम दे दी है और सोहम क्लास का जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन है बहुत ही अच्छा है।
सोहम क्लास की जो टीम है, सोहम सर, Archimra और महेश सर, really they are taking care of the students. S of the Soham stands for sincerity. They are really sincerely giving good guidance to the students to make them the overall individual. My son has become the chartered accountant and apart from chartered accountant, he was also involved by the Soham class in extracurricular activity. My daughter has also taken part in Yuva Manch last year from the 12th standard from the Soham class. So like this kind of opportunities are also they are giving. So S hope for opportunity and they teach students to become the honest, that is the Soham. A stands for their attitude, they give their students a positive attitude and M stands for the meticulous preparation for the exam, that is Soham class. Thank you very much. All the best.
Hi, this is Milind Mehta, Arab. Both our kids, Nirmit and Ritvi, studied in Soham classes under the able guidance of Soham sir and Bhash sir and now Varmin sir also. And we are very happy about their performance because of the guidance which was provided by Soham sir. Nirmit is presently a chartered accountant practicing and Ritvi is doing her masters in law in London. So I think a great amount of their growth and progress I attribute to Soham sirs and Mahesh sir and Varmin sirs encouraging approach in making these people study well. So thank you very much, sir, for having done wonderful contribution to the education of both my children. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Soham sir and entire team. Thank you.
યોગના CPLના ટીચર્સ હતા એટલા બધા સરસ હતા કારણ કે 10મા પછી સીધું 11મામાં એણે કોમર્સ લીધું અને કોમર્સના દરેક સબ્જેક્ટ નવા હતા એના માટે અને દરેક સબ્જેક્ટનું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન એટલું બધું સરસ રીતે કર્યું કે એને દરેક સબ્જેક્ટ ગમ્યા અને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટથી ભણાવતા હતા અને એનો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટથી ભણતો હતો એ એના માટે ખરેખર સોહમ સર અને એની ટીમને થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
પહેલી વાર જ્યારે અમે એને મળવા ગયા હતા ત્યારે we had not gone to see how he will teach. We had actually gone to give permission for him to play football. He immediately agreed. But after that the interest in the subject was built up. That is how he still remembers work every day.
મજામાં આશા રાખું છું કે આપ સર્વે કુશળ હશો કારણ કે આપણે બધા જ ગવર્મેન્ટની ગાઈડલાઇન્સ ફોલો કરીએ છીએ. 12મા સાયન્સનું રિઝલ્ટ તો આવી ગયું, હવે 10માની દસ્તક સંભળાઈ રહી છે. જ્યારે મેં સાંભળ્યું કે ત્યારે હું એકદમ ભૂતકાળમાં સરી ગઈ અને મને મારા દીકરાનું જે રિઝલ્ટ હતું એ યાદ આવ્યું. મારો દીકરો પ્રણીત મહેતાનું 10માનું રિઝલ્ટ હતું, ઘણું સારું રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યું. મેં પૂછ્યું કે બેટા હવે નેક્સ્ટ? તો કે મમ્મી કોમર્સ. ફાઇન, બહુ સારી લાઈન છે. મેં એને મારા હસબન્ડે સહર્ષ સ્વીકારી લીધું. ક્લાસ કયો? એમાં તો એક જ નામ, સોહમ ક્લાસીસ. હવે તો એ આખું વટવૃક્ષ થઈ ગયું છે અને SCPLના નામથી ઓળખાય છે. પણ અમે જ્યારે અમારા બાળક નાના હતા ત્યારે સોહમ ક્લાસીસ was the only and now also only solution for commerce. તો અમે હું મારા હસબન્ડ અને પ્રણીત મળવા ગયા સોહમ ક્લાસીસ પર. તો ત્યાં આગળ એજ્યુકેશનલ વોરિયર્સ આઈ વિલ કોલ ધેમ, શૈક્ષણિક યોદ્ધાઓ સોહમ, મહેશ સર અને આર્ચી બેઠા. એ લોકોનું કાઉન્સિલિંગ સેશન વોઝ ગોઈંગ ઓન. પછી અમે બેઠા તો પૂછ્યું પ્રણીતને કે બેટા કોમર્સ કેમ? તો પ્રણીતે કીધું કારણ કે મને તો ક્રિકેટમાં કરિયર બનાવી છે. અને એ સાંભળતા મારે ને મારા હસબન્ડના મોઢા પર સેજ અણગમાની સુરખી આવી ગઈ. પણ આ ચતુર વ્યક્તિઓએ ઇમિડિયેટલી પારખી લીધું અને અમને આંખના ઇશારાએ કહ્યું ડોન્ટ વરી, નથિંગ વિલ હેપન, વી આર ધેર ટુ લુક આફ્ટર. અમે પછી મળ્યા ત્યારે સોહમે કીધું કે પ્રણીત is a bright student, but his attention is divided between the academics and the sports. But we'll take a note of it and we'll do the best. પણ તમે નહીં માનો, આર્ચી, સોહમ અને મહેશ સરે જે ધુઆધાર બોલિંગ કરી છે અને દરેક બોલ પર એના જે બધા ગુણ વિકસાવવાના હતા એ બધા ધીરે ધીરે કૂપણથી બહાર આવ્યા અને એનું 12th રિઝલ્ટ વોઝ અમેઝિંગ. એ તો બરાબર છે, પણ ઇવન BBAની જે એન્ટ્રન્સ એક્ઝામમાં એ ફર્સ્ટ બેચમાં એ સિલેક્ટ થયો. આજે એની ઘણી ઉજ્જવળ કારકિર્દી બનાવવા માટેનો શ્રેય હું સોહમ ક્લાસીસ, એની ટીમ, સોહમ, આર્ચી અને મહેશ સરને આપું છું. અને એમને માટે મારા બહુ જ અંતરના આશીર્વાદ છે. મારા ભૂતપૂર્વ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સોહમ અને અર્ચી એ બરોડા હાઈસ્કૂલ અલકાપુરીના કે જ્યાં મેં 36 વર્ષ જોબ કરી અને મહેશ સરને પણ કોટી વંદન. ફરી પાછા મારા શુભ આશીષો અને બહુ જ બધું પ્રેમ સોહમ ક્લાસીસ અને એની ટીમને, ઇન શોર્ટ SCPL ટીમ.
Hello friends, we are actually the proud parents of our All India rank holder Chartered Accountant son Pranay. When he decided to join the field of commerce, the basic question for us that how he should start his study. And so after a long search, we found that okay, the Soham class is the best possible class where he should join and he should start his career in 11, since it is the base year. And we were absolutely happy to tell you that yes, Soham classes made his concepts of all subjects of commerce so much clear that he could make this base so strong that he can achieve a very high, huge heights in this field by very good scoring in CA, and thereafter even he started his IIM also, where all the financial subjects also he could perform in those subjects with the help of the strong base which he had made in 11th in Soham classes. And I will like to say, and I will especially like to thank the teachers also, their main teachers rather, Soham sir, Mahesh sir, Archie madam, that they are so much helpful to him that he could make up in 11th as well as thereafter.
Friendly nature and approachable teachers and personal attention to all the students, doubt solving and everything, whatever they study in the class, everything was stress free. All thanks to friendly nature and approachable teachers of Soham classes.
I'm glad I sent my daughter Kairavi to Soham classes for 11th and 12th standard. In 11th standard, her education was so good, their teaching methods are so nice, she could understand whatever they taught. And as she was also very sincere, they taught very well, she scored very good marks. In fact, in current times of COVID also, there are very innovative ideas of teaching through online classes on the virtual platform. And I really appreciate their hard work and efforts. All the best to Soham classes.
Hello friends, I am Harish Modi, father of Tanmay Modi, who is in CA final and has completed first group of Companies Academy under the guidance and proper motivation of SCPL. Tanmay initiated his journey of commerce from SCPL with the very objective of strong foundation for commerce subjects. SCPL has helped in so many ways like counseling, motivation, test series, healthy competitive environment, etc. So as a father, I really appreciate the efforts of SCPL team for being devoted to their students.
I am Nishit Desai, practicing chartered accountant. My daughter Riddhi Desai has done classes with SCPL and she cleared her intermediate at first attempt with good marks. I think in SCPL, Soham sir, Mahesh sir and all other staff members, all other teachers, those who are teaching in the class, they are taking utmost care to see that the student is properly learning, understanding and they are performing in the exam. For that matter, they are also conducting the test, in-house test for all the students, and that is basically and the assessment is also done according to the CA standards, so they can understand what is the exam pattern, exam assessment things, everything. So I wish them a grand success. I wish them a grand success in next year and for all other future years. Thanks a lot.
I am Shripath Deshpande, Chartered Accountant, Partner KC Mehta & Company. Hello guys, 11th and 12th are foundation for any commerce courses. You will learn accounts and economics first time in your life. When my son has shown interest in a commerce, I thought who will teach these subjects fundamentally. I heard the name of the Soham classes but never experienced. I met both Soham sir and Mahesh sir for the first time and found that they have a sound knowledge of the subject and know how to approach to teach. My experience is very much satisfying of what I have come across. Moreover, I have come across some good faculties which focuses more on concepts along with the academics, which help students for their overall progress and will not only be confined to 11th and 12th but also for their long-term perspective, which is a good point to cover. Last but not the least, the bond that SCPL makes with their student, teacher-student relationship and other activities like holding various tournaments help to create more flexibility among the students. Learn fundamentally with fun that I have experienced with the Soham classes. Best of luck and thank you.
I, Ila Pandya, my husband Dr. Nian Pandya, an ophthalmologist. Our daughter Pariksa decided to pursue humanities during her 11th and 12th, and she took subjects psychology, sociology, economics and organization of commerce. And we wanted to send her to the best classes for the same, and then we decided to send her to Soham classes where Archie ma'am, she coached her so well and she scored 99 out of 100 during board exams, and then she wanted to go to Mumbai universities for further studies, and sending to Soham classes were a great decision, and we recommend Soham classes to any parents to send their child to Soham classes.
Good morning friend, this is Naresh Harwani, parent of Nishita Harwani. एक्चुअली मैं आज आपसे कुछ बातें शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। एक साल पहले जब मैंने निशिता का शैनन स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाया था 11th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो मुझे पता चला कि वहाँ SCPL सोहम क्लास प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की टीम है जो उनको एजुकेट करने वाली है, उनको सिखाने वाली। मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई, बट जैसे जैसे वक्त बीतता गया तो मैं निशिता के साथ जब भी अपनी बातें शेयर करता हूँ तो देखता हूँ कि दिन ब दिन उनका नॉलेज इंक्रीज हुआ है। उनके अकाउंट्स के कंसेप्ट बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर हुए हैं, स्टैटिस्टिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से वो अब समझने लगी है। इवन इकोनॉमिक्स का तो उसे इतना वास्ट नॉलेज है कि मुझे लगने लगा कि नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से वो परफॉर्म कर रही है। इस एक साल में उसने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है। तो मैं ऐसा चाहता हूँ कि मेरी डॉटर जो है वो एक अच्छे से अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ के बहुत ही आगे बढ़े, और उनमें इनको जो क्लास का सोहम क्लास प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का जो सपोर्ट मिला है बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही टीचर कोऑपरेटिव है। कभी भी कोई भी डाउट होता है तो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से उसे सॉल्व किया जाता है। तो इसके लिए मैं ऐसा कहना चाहूँगा कि बेस्ट क्लास अगर कोई है, बेस्ट स्कूल अगर कोई है तो वो शैनन और SCPL।